A very good morning, all of you. Well, a hearty welcome to Konica BBNBC College. Well, I think you are all well. Today is a very coldest day in Bijapur because of the some rain is going on in Tamil Nadu and Andhra. That is nothing but I say some that tsunami and all it will be. We have heard that. That is why the climate is completely changed. We are suffering from the very cold in Bijapur. So you also will take care yourself. Don't go outside. You have to wear warm clothes and all this thing. Well, as per our daily routine, we are taking continuously either it will be rain come or winter, whatever it may be, it is our duty. We are doing all these things. So online classes we are taking continuously. So today also we are on the same subject, that is entrepreneurship development, that is under the model number 3, and we are still here on the successful entrepreneurs. Who are the successful entrepreneurs in India or in abroad or in internationally? We have to be study as per the RCO. We are totally study about 6 successful entrepreneurs. We have to study under that. We are already completed 3. That is nothing but I say Dhirubhai Ambani, Yanar Narayan Murthy, and Kiran Mujumdar Shah. So these 3 we are completed. Today we have to go internationally figure one more is that it is nothing but as a Steve Jobs. So Steve Jobs is a nothing but as a when we have to take Steve Jobs names in your mind and all, you will know about that Apple computers. Apple company is the Apple Corporation or Apple Incorporated or INC. We have to know about that. He is the main founder of a Apple computer. The person Steve Jobs is born on the February 24th, 1950. He was a adopted son. Steve Jobs is a adopted son. He was born on 25th February 1950. 55. So he spent long hours along with his father in his own garage, family garage, and then his father is rebuilding some electrical devices and all this thing. In that, with his father, he is working along with long hours and all this thing. So he is making and rebuilding of the devices, electronic devices and all this thing. So that it will be in the mind, he will come and he will be regularly work along with his father. Then he built, later on he built a personal computer. He is the person who has developed a personal computer, and later on he is a making of the consumer electronic devices. So then a founder of Apple, later on in one day he will be found that he is the main person who will find out the Apple. So that is nothing as Apple. And animation, whatever we are seeing in the animations, devices and all this thing in our films and everything, that he has made by the Steve Jobs. So earlier he has worked along with his father. Daily he is spending long hours for the rebuilding of the electronic devices under the family garage and all this thing. Later on he will be developing a computer, that is a Apple computers, and then there are several consumer electronic device he has, and then later on he will be built up a animation and Apple computer. In 1976 he found Apple computers. That is completely he found in 1976 Apple computer company, and software development it will be started. Then in 2005, in 1976 he will start developing of the computers, and the that is software development. In 2005, with Disney purchase of Pixar, so he will be purchased a Disney company. He is the largest shareholder in that Disney, Walt Disney Mart, that he will be a largest purchaser of a shares, and he became the largest shareholder of Walt Disney Company. He is the main person who has bought largest stake in the Disney, Walt Disney and all this. So this is the shortest story of Steve Jobs. And in electronic, he will be done lot of things in that. He has so many devices he has made and manufactured, or he will give the almost all device and all this thing. And number one computer in the world, that is the name of his Apple products, whatever they have, the Apple brands and all this thing, electronic, consumer electronic device and all this thing he has made on his own. And he has purchased a animation, that is a main Walt Disney Mart he has purchased, and he has the main biggest shareholder in that. So whatever his achievements in his life, the government or there are so many government companies, the government authority, they are given the achievements awards to the Steve Jobs. That is the first award he got is nothing but as a Disney Legend award he got in his life. And then Grammy Trustee Award he has got, and that is the second one. Third award he has got as nothing but as a Person of the Year. He is the most important person who has made electronic device and all this thing. The government, they are given as a Person of the Year and Trustee of the Year they are given. And then next award he has got Most Powerful Person also. Most powerful person in the field of electronic device and all this thing. He has given lot of devices he has made and all this thing, and he has given to the almost all internationally level. And then he got the award of Entrepreneur of the Decade. Entrepreneurs of Decade award he has given. He is the biggest entrepreneur in the world, Steve Jobs. So that award also he got the Decade. And then National Medal of Technology, that award also he has got. So many awards he got by Steve, that is a Disney Legend, Grammy Trust Award, Person of the Year, Most Powerful Person, Entrepreneur of Decade, and then National Medal of Technology. These are the achievements he got in his life. So I always saying the notes also. You go through the notes if you want it detailing. There are so many things he has done in that step by step. Only I tell you that I already sent you notes, and go through that and make yourself as a perfect points. You have to take whatever is done by the Steve Jobs in his life and all this in his career developments and all these things. You have to be note that, and you have to be listen carefully, remember all points. Suppose the questions actually comes, so you have to write on the Steve Jobs. Always in examination there are given you two autobiography or two successful entrepreneurs story, either this or that, or they are given first and second. In that you have to be selected one. Suppose the Steve Jobs also it is very easy for you, then you have to start writing over that when he has born, what he has done in the family, later on how he has developed his career, and what he has developed in the world and all this thing, and how much he has developed and all this thing, and what government they are given achievements, awards and all this thing. You have to write all step by step, then autobiography it will be completed. So today's discussion is that Steve Jobs company Apple Inc., that is a incorporated or the corporation. He is the person who is successful entrepreneur in his life, and he is entrepreneurs award he has achieved. That is an entrepreneur decade award he has got. So that is why you see that he is the person who is a successful entrepreneur and all this, or we are calling as a business tycoon. You have to remember all these things. You have to listen and go through whatever I have said, notes and all these things. So tomorrow we will be go for the fifth successful entrepreneur story, or it will be on the Monday. Until that, you have to take care of yourself, and bye bye.